Okay. And then, where we're going? Let's go! What we're waiting for? What the company they were looking at for. Yan guys, we're just continue to walking. And then, super layo yata ng aming lalakarin. Kaya kailangan talaga namin. Buti na lang naka-rubber shoes tayo. Kung nagkataon, ako po. Ay nga, ito nga yung natatandaan ko eh. Ito yung natatandaan ko sa paglalakad namin, guys. Savory. Yan, Savory, guys. Masarap ang pagkain dito sa Savory. Yan. Lakad pa rin. Itong napakahirap, guys. Sa mga nag-a-apply ng ganito. Malayo ang nilalakad. So, I don't know because I don't know her. Maybe you asking some person, then asking what the company where they are looking for.
You want us to go across?
Yeah, so it's okay. I don't like this too hot. Yeah, first if there's a Lorica or Concentric or anything that you have a call center company, we're just looking for call center company because we're just applying or a customer service representative, customer agent. We're just looking inside and Condowen. You know why I remember this place? Before, yeah, the first time before with Ma'am Malu.
Here was last year.
Last year, 2019.
We're doing call center training. Remember?
Yeah, I remember the day.
Now,
Every time ligwak.
one is Ecom number 2.
Ecom number 2. Okay. Now I know this is the kind of buildings are Ecom. Same like BGC in Makati. All the building is part of BGC. Condo went left, right side. Okay. So now guys, mapunta kami ng Condowen. So titignan namin ulit dito. Ang Condowen. 7-Eleven. Diretso.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I know this. Okay. Subway. Alam mo ba, nang nagtrabaho pa sa Colorica, paborito ko lagi bilhin Subway. Lunch ko lang yan. Ang laki kasi nga, di ba, kalahati lang in order ko. Busog na ako doon.